In other news now, as investigations into yesterday's multi-million-dollar heist in Portmore, St. Catherine intensify, police say they are getting closer to nabbing those responsible. The cops say they now know the identities of the attackers. Kimon Witter has the details.
The Jamaica Constabulary Force says several operations are ongoing to find the criminals behind the brazen afternoon robbery in Portmore, St. Catherine on Sunday. Videos circulating on social media showed that security guards from Beryllium came under heavy gunfire from armed robbers as they were approaching the Scotiabank automated banking machine in Brayton Parkway. 5 people were wounded, including 4 security guards and a licensed firearm holder. 3 guards were shot, but their injuries are not life-threatening. Head of the JCF's Corporate Communications Unit, Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, says the men in the attack have been identified.
They now have an idea as to who they are looking for and who are the perpetrators behind the attack.
All right, and in terms of the vehicles that were found, we have confirmed that they were in fact used in the robbery?
Yes, they confirmed that those were the vehicles that were involved, and they have tracked down, the owners, etc. So they are doing some work around that. It forms a very critical part of the investigation. So the vehicles remain in police custody as they do the necessary work around them.
The vehicles being referred to were found in Lake Spence, St. Catherine. In the meantime, SSP Lindsay says with the amount of cash the robbers made off with yesterday, there could be serious consequences for residents as well as the robbers themselves.
It's not unusual for us to now have to see infighting among criminal groups for the spoils, and it's not unusual for them to direct this fund into getting additional guns and ammunition to strengthen their criminal network. So it's usually the citizens that suffer in these instances, and that is why we'd love for them to assist in any way they can to get these persons apprehended. But from the policing side, the commanding officer is very satisfied with where they are so far.
The attackers reportedly stole $23.2 million. 94 9mm spent shells and 76 spent casings from rifles were found at the scene. Kimon Witter reporting for TVJ News.